Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change region in Valorant. To do this, it's really easy, right? First of all, you have to just go to Google and here you have to search for Riot. And here you have to type Riot Game Support. Now just click on this first link. This is official games of Riot Games. If you don't know Riot Games, so they are the publisher of Valorant. Now here you have to, they will ask you to log in into your account. So you can just log in into your account. Then you have to select Valorant support. If you're not getting this option here, you can just go back and here you will get the same option. So this is a shortcut, you can also click on it. And once you click on it, you will be here, right? And here you will get this option of change region of residence. So now you have to click on this and here they will explain you that how you can do this. But you have to go to the bottom and click on submit a ticket. Now here you have to choose the option. So here you have to choose on account management, data request or deletion. And once you select here, automatically you must be logged in. So that's why I told you to log in this first starting place. Now here you will get this option. Now it will ask you what platform are you requesting assistant for. So you can choose your platform here. I play my Valorant on PC. Now this is a subject. So here you can change this subject or write this subject. It's regarding changing your region. Now here it will ask you, please select your inquiry. And here you have to select on, by the way, if you just write here subject, right, please select your inquiry. It's regarding account management. Please select your inquiry. So here you will get this option that need help changing region of residence. And here update your region of residence. So here you can just check this. You can write the description that hi, I want to change my region as I have changed my country and I'm going to live a long period of time in this country. That's why please change my region. Now here you can just give them some proof that you have really changed, right? And it should be authentic and click on submit. Within few days or in few hours, you will receive a email back on your email address, right? And they will help you to change your region on your specifically on your account. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.